What is up, everybody? So, rare occasion today. There's nothing. There's nothing behind me, which is not going to last long, but every now and then, we'll get a free moment. And today after about 6 o'clock, 6:30 was that free moment for me. I don't have anything to work on right now. I do have stuff for tomorrow and whatever, but I don't have anything. So, what I wanted to do was I wanted to play with something that we just picked up that I think is going to make these videos a little bit more interesting, perhaps. I don't know. You guys will have to tell me what you think. But it consists of what's in this little guy right here. I don't know if you could see that logo, but something the nerd in me enjoys very, very much. And it is our new DJI Mavic Air. So, this is going to bring things to a new level when it comes to what we're doing for video. Hopefully. That is, if I get a chance to fly it and do the things that I want to do with it. So what I'm planning on doing is, when we finish builds and stuff like that, we can get some nice aerial shots of it. We could do a bunch of other odds and ends and maybe some nice sequence intros and a few other odds and ends with it. But I enjoy the filmmaking aspect of things, and I think we're going to try to get a little bit more into that, especially if I can, maybe find somebody to help me film every now and then. We can get some really cool stuff going on. So what I did for myself, mainly, but for you guys also, is we took it out and we played with it a little bit in the parking lot here. So I'm going to insert some, well, let's call it a drone montage. And let me know what you guys think. So here we go. Drone montage.
We got time, but no money. But there ain't nobody stopping us. We got bills, but no dollars. But now we don't really give up. No, we don't really give up. Living for that ray of light. Life can be beautiful. Life can be beautiful. Going all the way tonight, making it beautiful. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like this, acting like this. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like this, acting like this. going under, and there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story.
Backlash written on me, card rubbing on a glass bowl. I've been ballin', free my lady sitting down, and now I'm already out. Already on the countdown, I'ma set it right. Got the backlash written on me, cold running from the pole, and it's on me. Don't know which way we're going now, I don't wanna know it. Might as well be going down, I don't wanna know it.
We're going up, we're going under, and there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest.
Alright, so there you have it. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I have a blast playing with this stuff. I'm an electronics nerd at heart, and it really makes me happy when I can take a free minute or two and actually go enjoy something like this. The footage that came off of this thing is amazing, and I don't know if you guys remember some videos back, there was a little bit of drone footage in the intro, and it was just a very small, cheap, inexpensive drone that didn't really have a lot of controls, didn't have a controller, you controlled it off your phone via Wi-Fi, its range was extremely limited, but we moved up to the, not the big boy, it's, you know, under $1,000 still, the DJI Mavic Air, which is going to be awesome for videos in the future. Hopefully we'll be able to do some more off-site stuff where we can kind of showcase some of our vehicles and some of the work we do and everything else outside of the shop so that you guys can see more of that. So stay tuned for a lot more from us, because there's a lot more coming frame-wise, there's a lot more coming. Well, you name it, it's all coming. But for now, I hope you enjoyed the drone montage as much as I did, and I will see you guys on the next one. Have a great night, everybody.